Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Python for Windows. Open any browser. Type Python download in browser search bar. Click Download Python. Click Download Python. Open downloaded file. Click Install now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.